so I guess just right here. Before, okay. All right, so on the outside of the cage, there's a lot of this. It's harder to see on camera right now. It's dirty. From last time I was here, it was more dirty in the back. So spiders. Shit. Okay. A lot of spiders there. Okay. The top of this thing is not working. Ooh. A lot of stuff like this all over. Got this pretty good last time. These rocks, so at least little spots like that. Maybe it's pretty good. So yeah, whatever. Okay, after a video, day after here. It's the wall. Okay, I got the outside here. Anyways. Then got the outside all down there. I don't need to get the picture. I don't need to get my shoes all dirty. Okay, all done here. Gotta keep it spotless here. There's a lot of pots. Takes an extra amount of time, I think. I almost missed a little bit over here, but you read it. I think there's a little stain right here that I got out. I could have cleaned furniture more. I mean, I got this chair's a little bit better, but I got the rust off that. There's still some grease or something on it, I think. Okay. Yeah, I got all the tops of this too. Okay, looks good.